If you're wondering how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views, in this video I'm going to be showing you my YouTube analytics on how much YouTube actually paid me for 1,000 views as a small YouTuber who just got monetized. My channel got monetized around late December 2025, and ever since I got monetized, every other video which I uploaded on my channel has been earning me money. Now in this video I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube pays for 1,000. But one thing that really surprised me was that I was actually thinking if someone gets monetized and you're getting a lot of views, you're actually going to be making a lot, like a whole lot of money. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys exactly how much YouTube paid me for 1,000 views, and I'm going to show you everything on camera. So please make sure you watch to the end. If you're a small creator, you're hoping to get monetized, or you are just monetized and you're thinking, how does this thing work? Does YouTube really pays well? Well, you're going to find out in this video, so do well to watch this video to the very end. Now I'm just going to take you to my YouTube analytics so that you can see exactly everything. Guys, here is the video. I'll be clicking on this particular video, how to get 0 or low views. The video currently has 1.2k views, so let me just click on it and then I'll take you to the analytics. Now this is the overview of this particular video. This video has gotten 1,209 views since it was published, and it has also given me 55 watch time, which is actually very good. Now the sweet part of this video is that YouTube is the one recommending this particular video, and the YouTube recommendation is 814, so it is not really much anyway, but it is still good. Now the audience retention is 243 minutes, which is actually very good. For those that really engage on this video, thank you so much. I do not take it for granted. Thank you for all the engagement. So 58% of viewers are still watching at around 0.30, which is actually a very good one. Now you can see the top traffic source, channel pages, and the likes. Now let's go to the reach. Here is the reach of this video. This video has gotten 15,000 impressions, meaning that 15,000 people have already seen this particular video, but only 6% clicked. That is why I have 1.2k views on that particular. I imagine that all the 15,000 people actually click. Hey, I would have been balling now anyways, but we thank God. Thank you so much for those that still engaged on this particular video. Now how viewers were able to find this video: the browse feature, suggested videos, channel pages, other YouTube features, and the likes. Like YouTube actually pushed this particular video. Now external sites or app, we have Gmail, Google search, then YouTube search terms, daily tips, bookie. That means you guys are actually searching for me. Hey, thank you so much, guys. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, more YouTube search terms says how to get more views. So this is actually a search term that is evergreen, because people are actually still searching for how to get views on YouTube, how to create thumbnails. You understand? Now these are the contents that are actually suggesting this particular video. From Jazzy, my videos, we have Glory C. Like even most of my videos are actually still suggesting this particular video, which is actually a good one. Now let's go to the engagement, because I don't really want this video to be too lengthy. Like I said initially, this video got me 55 watch time, and the average view duration is 2 minutes 44 seconds, which is actually not bad. It's still good. And yeah, so let's go to the audience. For the unique viewers, 939 unique viewers, which is actually not bad. And then my viewers also watch Never Do This. Like, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for always engaging. See, I don't even take this for granted. That is why I'm always appreciating all my subscribers. Like, you guys are the main G. So how people were able to watch this video through mobile, we have computer, we have through the TV, tablet, and the likes. Then the age of people that are engaged on this particular video is 18 to 24 years, 25 to 34 years, 35 to 44 years, which is actually not bad. And my top geographies were from Nigeria, which is 43%, United States 10%. Now to the main thing, which is the revenue. Let's see how much I actually made on a video that got 1.2k views. This video made $3.24. Don't mind me. Honestly, I'm grateful for this. It may not really look big, but it is still okay, because I remember when I started my YouTube channel 2022. I was not, in fact, I didn't even know that one of my channels is going to blow up that way. So I'm really grateful for this. This video has $3.24. That is for a video of 1.2k views. Now let's see how I made the money through watch paid ads and YouTube Premium. It's actually very good. The video performance estimated revenue is still $3.24. Now for the views, the views that actually made this money for me was 1.1k views. I know we can see 1.2k views on the dashboard, but this is the specific amount of views that got me this amount, which is revenue per 1k views. I'm actually making $2. Now imagine I have actually got 15,000 people watching this particular video, like 50k views. That money would have, that is like $2.75 times 15. It's not bad. So how much advertisers pay is $4.76. So earning by ad types: skippable ads, display ads, non-skippable ads, bumper ads, unknown. Now this is how much YouTube paid for this particular video. Now let me just go to my calculator to calculate this in Nigeria. Let's see how much it actually costs. So I'm just going to go to my calculator. Let's just assume $3, right, times, and dollar is currently 1,400 in Nigeria. So this video made me 4,200 naira only. So let me know in the comment section if this is actually worth it, like if the money is actually very okay. But I feel it's actually okay, not bad. So this is actually how much it paid me so far on this particular video. I'm still going to make more later, but I just decided to come and show you guys because I know there are a lot of us here, especially those that are just starting and still wondering, does YouTube actually pay? Yes, YouTube pays. So you need to take your YouTube journey very seriously. In fact, I'm going to be making a video on how much YouTube paid for a particular video that is less than 500 views. In fact, when I saw the amount, I was so surprised, but I don't want this video to be too lengthy. So this will be the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful and encouraging, please do well to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and lastly, don't forget to comment. Do not give up on your YouTube channel. Consistency pays. So let's try to do well to be consistent in our channel, and definitely you're going to see the results. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.